Hello friends, today we have got an exercise based on WH questions in the simple present. Let's begin. And he has sold his property. So what is the question word that we are going to use? So what has he sold? What has he sold? Question mark. And then they have finished their work. When have they finished their work? When have they finished their work? Third is, he has taught us music. Who has taught you music? Who has taught you music? Who has taught you music? The principal has addressed the meeting. Whom has the principal addressed? Whom has the principal addressed? Isn't it? Addressed. Then fifth one, my friend has taken my book. Whose book has your friend taken? Whose book has your friend taken? Whose book has your friend taken? And sixth one, they have gone to the Himalayas. Where have they gone? Where have they gone? So the answer is they have gone to the Himalayas. Seventh is, he has written it well. How has he written it? How has he written it? Very good. And then you have got he has written, they have borrowed a lot of money from the bank. How much money? How much? How much money have they borrowed from the bank? How much money have they borrowed from the bank? And next one, they have got, children have spent much time playing. How much time have the children spent? Etc. etc. question mark. And we have got more than 5 students have got A plus. How many students? How many students have got A plus? Full A plus. How many students have got full A plus? He has changed this style again. How often has he changed his style? How often has he changed his style? Alright. And then we have got how often has he changed this style? They have gone too far. How far? How far have they gone? How far have they gone? Very simple. And then we have got this has been the practice here. What has been the practice here? What has been the practice here? Isn't it? What has been practice here? And next, they have done something. What have they done? What have they done? What have they done? He has done it. What has he done? What has he done? So I think now it's clear to you. So question making, I think by now you are very thorough with this. All what you have to do is yes or no question. You invert subject and object, and rest of the things you write there. And question word, find out the appropriate question word. You have got the question word list and see what is the information required. According to that, you choose your question words, and then always start a question word question with a question word. So you got it WH questions, information questions or X questions because you wanted something new. Some new information is required from that. You get some new information when you ask a question with a question break. Otherwise it is yes or no question, that is either the answer is yes or it is no. I hope you are following, you are nice and helpful. It is helpful to you, hoping that it is useful to you. Bye. For the time being, stop. We will continue next time. Bye.